All right, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals. A 0 hour to make the best game ever. Yeah, last couple of days have been very mute because it is not, still not ideally to talk for me. Yeah. But we can try again. Okay, so last sessions we did implement some jump lines in the assembler tables, which works okay, sort of. It's a bit hard to look at, so I disabled it by default. Yeah. Jumps. Yeah. It looks okay when the function is small, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I also did a bunch of small fixes. I removed a bunch of ini saves. And some other things. There's still one more issue I saw. File manager. No. Comparison manager. Body. Here, the progress overlay. Let's invert that condition. Okay, so what I'm seeing is here, there's like a thin line at the very top. So it looks like, how did that happen? Group rect. Is that because I don't know, files list. Maybe it's because of this hack here. What happens if we remove it? Hack removes gap. Yeah. Maybe this needs to be moved before the group. I think we do it at 2 places, no? Three places. Okay, let's Really? Okay, so let's say we remove this here and instead we put it in front of this group. Here. Let's see. Yeah. What if we removed it entirely? Then we have this big gap here. How does it look here? So if we remove the gap here, and here, now we have this gap here. How about we spacing, add vertical spacing. Is there like a inverse of this? How much does it add spacing? How about we add a function called despacing, where we give it a float and then it simply moves the cursor back. So we go here, misc. Do void despacing float height despacing float height. Let's say move cursor, move how about we make move cursor screen pause. We do X and Y. Okay, how about that? Move cursor, screen pause. Okay, and then go here. And then we call move cursor screen pause 0 minus 5.0 f. I'll put it here and here. Okay. And then we remove all this here. Then fix the condition again. All right, looks good. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, cool. There's probably some more things that we can fix and polish, but I think that's already good enough for this one change. Okay. All right. Okay, let's submit these one by one. Let's take this. Okay, so this is fix wrong sizes of fix wrong initial sizes of tables in file manager window. From initial table sizes. All right, let's dash, compile. Good, then fix this one here. That. One, two. Two. Good. This is fix overlay position, fix progress overlay position in comparison window. Similar comparison window. Okay. Next. Next we add the no saved settings thingy. this, 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 all right. No saved, no saved. Yeah. No longer save. No longer save. Table settings. No longer save various child window and table settings to the imgui.ini. What disable table settings saving to imgui.ini. I think that's good enough. Okay, and then we have one more change where we removed all these symbols because they seem to be not necessary and just pollute the ini file. It's weird. Sometimes in the sample code they use this at the beginning of keys and sometimes not. And it's really not clear to me why they have it so inconsistent. Maybe they weren't sure themselves. No. Okay. And we simply say remove, what is this called? Is this hash symbol? Hash symbol. Number sign. Hash. Pound sign. Remove hash symbols from imgui string IDs. Obsolete. All right. Okay, cool. Then we got all that. Okay, good. Then I think the next thing I would like to clean up, well, refactoring is. Um, I would like to. I think I already showed it a couple, 3 days ago. This one here. Yeah. So the question is, can we get some? The problem is you can't really index into symbols because there are also symbols in. Well, we can. So we have symbols in the executable, but also pseudo symbols in the function, right? So if we wanted to have, index to symbols, then, oof. Let me see. First of all, can we have indices to symbols? Let me see. Symbols. It's a vector, right? Yeah, symbol address to index map. So we would have to look up. We'd have to look up the index, save it, and then basically we would need to encode the function symbol by saying so we put a mask, put a 0x8000000. So we put the 1 bit at the front. We mark it as okay. If the high bit is set, then this index is for function symbol. Otherwise, it's for the executable. Yeah. I think that's fair. Yeah. Okay. So I think what we need is a const index t get symbol index const. We have an invalid index type. Inline const expr index t invalid index term. Okay. Address 64. Now, do we also need it for look by name? Oof. No. Not yet, at least. Okay, and then that's good, yeah. Then we need the same thing in function here. So we have get pseudo symbol, and we need to have a const xe symbols get pseudo symbols const. Then we need this function here. Get pseudo symbol index. All right. Then we need this. That somehow doesn't work. Why not? It is a const iterator. What's the problem? Oh, it's a different map. Jesus. Okay. Interesting. Return pseudo symbols. Yeah. Okay. And then what we do in is function types here. Then let me see. Jumplen. Line number. Okay, how about we put line number up here? And then we put here in the union unnamed struct. Anonymous structs are not permitted. Okay, so anonymous structs are not standard in C++. That's a shame. Okay, then we have to do struct. Struct arguments symbol maybe if symbol structs symbols, I don't know, symbols, and we do index t index 1, we do 31, index t index 2 31, and then we have index t I say is pseudo is pseudo symbol one, symbol 1, 2, is pseudo 2. How about we have a struct and we make it text text symbol. Is pseudo like this. Index to an exe symbol. Next to exe symbols. Index to pseudo symbol in function class. Then we do here text symbols. Actually, we don't need to stock them anymore. We just do text do std array text symbol 2. I think we just need 2 symbols like that. Let's see. It's pretty compact. Symbols referenced in the text with add 1, add 2. Okay. Okay, good. And then, so basically, we would now need to change the way this guy is written. So instead we put this in there. Yeah, and then some things would change. Yeah, this won't be an easy change. But basically the advantage of this is that this will allow us to like still know which symbol this refers to, this instruction in the text. And then we can, for example, show the undecorated names, yeah, if we wanted. Right now it's always bakes in the mangled name, right, in the string, which is not flexible. Plus it also has this quote in there, quote symbol, which we would need to strip if we wanted to get rid of it. So we can just say, okay, then let's just assemble the text this way. I expect that there will be some complications because right now all the algorithms are catered towards how it's stored in here. So we need to touch a bunch of functions. Yeah. But I think it will be okay, maybe. Good, so we made a bit of progress. Yeah. Okay, good. Then I'll take a break here. And then next session we continue with just that. All right, then have a great day or night. Until next time, goodbye.